composite and inverse function. So composite and inverse function. So if f of x equals to x squared and g of x equals to x minus 5, find the composite functions of f of g and functions of g of f. So you have this one solution. So letter A, functions of f of g equals to this functions of g of x. So this one would mean equals to f of g x, or equivalent to f of x minus 5. Your g of x is this one, x minus 5, or this one equivalent to x minus 5 square, this one. So this one x squared there, so x minus 5 square. So for the letter B, g of f, the g of f would mean to g of f x, that one. So equivalent to g f of x equals to g x square equivalent to x square minus 5. So example 2, if f of x equals to x squared plus x and g of x 2x minus 1, find a f plus g, b f minus g, c f times g, and d is f all over g. So your solution would be this one. Letter A, f plus g x equals to f of x plus g of x equals to x squared plus x plus 2x minus 1 equals to x squared plus 3x minus 1. So letter B, f minus g times x equals to fx minus g of x equals to x squared plus x minus 2x minus 1 equals to x squared minus x minus 2x minus 1 plus 1, or equivalent to x squared minus x plus 1. Letter C, f of g x equals to f of x times g of x equals to x squared plus x 2x minus 1 equals to 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x squared minus x equals to 2x cubed plus x squared minus x. For letter D, a all over g. X equals to f of x over g of x equals to x squared plus x all over 2x minus 1. Find the inverse function of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So use mapping diagram. Domain and range. On the inverse functions, the domain 2, 4, 6, 8 becomes the range. Well, the range becomes domain. So the range here would become 3, 5, 7, 9, and the range would become 2, 4, 6, and 8. So find the inverse of the function y equal to 3x plus 6. Then sketch the function f and an inverse. So your solution will be this one. So the inverse is found by interchanging x and y and solve for y. So function y equals to 3x plus 6. So inverse is x equals to 3y plus 6, or x equal to 3y plus 6 3y equal to x minus 6, y equals to x over 3 minus 2. Y equal to 3x plus 6. So we have that one. Let x equals to 0. That one, y equals to 0 times 3 times 0 plus 6. So y equals to 6.06. So when y equals to 0, 0 equals to 3x plus 6. So 3x equals to minus 6. X equals to minus 2. So point minus 2, 0. So this one is your equation y equals to 3x plus 6. This point is minus 2, 0. This one is 0, 6. So for the inverse, for inverse of the function y equals to x over 3 minus 2. So y when y equals to 0, equals to x over 3 minus 2. So x is equals to 6. So 0.60. Then when x equals to 0, y equals to 0 over 3 minus 2. So y equal to minus 2. So 0 minus 2. So this one is the inverse function y equals to 3x plus 6.